Every day I look at this and get a little grossed out. So let's make a mask organizer. Hey, where's my tape?
Hey, oh no, give me back my tape. Come on, man, you gotta give it back.
Well, now I don't know what to do. I don't have a measuring tape. But what I do have is ingenuity and a Ridge wallet. Yes, this video is brought to you by Ridge Wallet, and we're going to turn this wallet into a measuring tape. So let's go do that on the laser engraver. Black aluminum does a great job of marking on a laser engraver. Hey, did I mention that you can get a discount if you go to ridge.com/crossbow, XBEAU? Didn't mention that? Well, it's going to be on the whole video, so here we go. Let's put this thing back together. Well, now that we're done, let's go ahead and put those cards back in the wallet. Now, the reason I took the front off when I did the laser engraving is that there is elastic that is on the sides, and the last thing I wanted was that laser engraver nicking the sides of one of these and blowing up the acrylic. But if you look at it, it's pretty good, right? The first inch is a little rough, but that's okay. For the purposes of this thing, I think we're going to be fine. Let's go find ourselves a piece of wood. Hey, this piece of poplar looks pretty good, but we don't need all of that, so let's figure it out. So we use our little wallet here, and look at that. Isn't that nice? We're able to use that thing to measure. So let's see how thick it is. It is just about 2 inches thick. Okay, so if I'm trying to find a nice middle point here, we're going to go with an inch. So if we use this wallet, there we go. Boom. Because I put that zero mark right on the edge. You can line up the edge right on the piece of wood and mark. Ish. Did that work okay? And we'll put a little bit in there. So let's measure using our wallet again. So it's about 2 inches apart or so. If you look at it right there, it's about 2 inches. Okay. So then we move to the next one. It's about 2 inches. About 2. So what we're going to do is start at this one right here. I think we found our spot. Let's go ahead and just put a point here. Okay. And I'm going to go 2 1/4 just to give myself a little extra room. And then we move over the wallet to 2 1/4-ish. Move over the wallet to 2 1/4. And then one more, because if I want to have a fresh one every single day. And now let's see the gap between there. It's about 1 inch of a gap. So that's where we'll make our cut on the table saw. Let's go do that. You know, I'm kind of looking at this and it looks a little bit too thick. We don't need it that wide. We don't need like 2 inches worth of here. We just need it to hold a couple hooks. So let's use the table saw and cut this thing down to about 1.5 inches. Let's get a little bit of mass off of it. All right, let's get that back to about 1.5 inches. Actually, there's just about 3, right about there. That should be nice. All right, let's figure out how wide it is now. And it is just about 1.5 inches, right on the ball. Our little ruler worked out great. So now we know we have 3/4 inch. But the nice part is, since this cutoff is 3/4 inch thick, we're on a line right down the middle. Look at that, isn't that nice? Okay, so then we take our marks that we made earlier. Better measure that again. Two 1/4, about there. 2 1/4, 2 1/4, 2 1/4-ish. Yep. Throw some shellac on there. Watch it change color. So while waiting on that stuff to finish, let me tell you about why this is a pretty damn cool wallet if you're doing anything with like EDC or you want to carry and stuff. So this guy, the nice part with that money clip on the back, you can slip that into anything that doesn't have pockets because you can put it right on the waistband. And the nice part is with that big money clip right there, you can stick it anywhere, even like right here in your pouch deal, and bam, look at that. You think that's going anywhere? No, nothing, right? The nice part too is because it's aluminum and it's also RFID blocking, you don't have to worry about anybody scanning any of the stuff in that wallet, which is pretty good. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, this is a good point. Hey, isn't that thing dry yet? Let's go get it. Now we're going to install this on the wall. We'll be with a couple of these command strips. They work great, and we can take them off after we don't need these masks anymore, which probably will be a while. There you go, guys. So now we've got our mask holder ready to rock and roll. And thanks to Ridge again for sponsoring this video. And I don't know if Ridge will ever do one with a ruler, but man, would that be cool. So again, if you're interested, go to ridge.com/BEAU, and it's in the comments below, and get yourself one of these Ridge wallets. All right, guys, like, comment, subscribe. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.